Hey y'all, this is Nathalie here and I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'll be doing an empty apartment tour. So y'all, me and my boyfriend, we finally found an apartment in Orlando, Florida, and we're just honestly, truthfully, super excited just to move. Like, y'all just don't know, like, y'all don't know. But anywho, we're super excited for this new journey and we just want to show y'all, okay? So before we jump right into this video, if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, and if you are not, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell just to see any new videos that I post on my channel. Okay, so let's just jump right into the video. Alright guys, so this is our front door. Okay, this is what we're working with. So when you come in through the front door, on the right hand side, this will be our kitchen. Okay, give you an overview. One thing I love about our kitchen is that we have our beautiful island. So we have our granite countertops, we have the wood flooring. When you come into the kitchen, on your right hand side, this is our pantry. Got a decent sized pantry. I truly love it. And then we have our refrigerator, and y'all, we're moving slowly, so you will see some items in the apartment already. And then we love the tile backsplash. I truly love it. And one thing about this apartment, it has 9-foot ceilings, so the cabinet space is very tall. Okay, we have a lot of cabinet space, as you can see, which I truly love. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but hey, we're gonna enjoy it. We have our stove and the microwave, and over here is the sink. I love how we have the little nozzle here, and then our sink is very deep, which I like. We have our dishwasher, and then our beautiful island over here has more cabinet and drawer space as well. Before I move on from the kitchen, another thing that I honestly do like is the light fixtures. You can turn on each individual one, so that's what I really like. At night, it just looks even better. So before we move on to this area, on our left hand side, that's the bathroom door. I go up through the other way. I wish this was a coat closet, but this is actually for our AC unit. And then on this wall, we just have the thermostat and stuff. I just got stuff laying around. In this closet right over here is our washer and dryer. So let's just close these doors. And so when you leave the kitchen, we're walking right into our living room area. Okay. So this is our living room area. We have these big windows, ceiling fans. And another thing about our apartment, we have valet trash. So once we get our other trash can, that one would just be sitting outside, but we haven't brought our other trash can in here yet. But I like how they do valet trash over here. So this is our living room. It's a decent sized living room, which I like. Okay. And then once we step out into the patio area, this is our patio area. We have the wood, and then we have the green out in our neighborhood. We have our pool area. We have the grill area and everything like that. Come on, Charm. And I like these windows right over here because it's gloomy outside. It's been raining and stuff, but once like the sun is out, this whole place lights up, and I really like that. So this is the living room. So when you leave out from the living room, this door right here will lead us into the master bedroom. So this is our master bedroom. We have this ceiling fan right over there. And this bedroom, y'all, I'll do an empty apartment tour of my last apartment, but this master bedroom is bigger than what we have. So I'm kind of excited about this. And then we're gonna enter through the closets. So we have 2 closets in our apartment. So the first closet that we have right here is the walk-in closet. This is not all my stuff, but once my boyfriend's stuff comes in here, I'm gonna have to do some stuff with my stuff, because obviously I have a lot of stuff. I got stuff at my mom's house, I got stuff in Daytona, like I got a lot of stuff, y'all. But we'll show y'all how it looks and how it turns out when we are actually comfortable in here. So this closet right here got the sliding doors. You can slide it from that way or you can slide it from this way. This closet is a pretty nice closet. It's got the high ceilings as well. Just got a little storage stuff in there. But yeah, this closet, honestly, this might just be where we store, like have extra stuff, like storage stuff or stuff that we don't need. That's probably gonna go in there. And so this door right over here leads us to the bathroom. So this is our bathroom. Okay. And in the bathroom we have tile flooring over here. And so we have more cabinet space. So we have this huge cabinet space. And this is probably where I'm probably gonna be storing like the towels and stuff like that in here. And then we have this bigger cabinet space as well. I have no clue what we're gonna put in here, but we're gonna figure it out. More cabinet space, more drawer space. And then, don't mind my dog, y'all. We got the light fixtures going on there, the toilet, and boom, our tub. Y'all, this tub is ridiculously big. I am gonna have so much fun on self-care Sundays or any self-care day that I have set for, because this thing is huge. It's huge, and I just love it because bubble baths are gonna be lit. Like, I love it. Let me get out of here. When you leave out of here, we're just gonna enter right back into the kitchen area. Okay, so yeah, that was basically it for the apartment tour. Alright y'all, so that is the end of the apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, y'all. And don't forget to click the notification bell so y'all can see any new videos that come on my channel, okay? So I'll see y'all on the next video. Love y'all.